Ryan Breton is tracking our forecast on Election Day. Anytime we talk about weather impacts, there's a lot of attention of people who may be hindered getting to the polls.
I think today it was the people maybe standing outside, some of the workers, or just
chilly
going
out
to
there.
and from the car.
Yes, we all felt it doing that
Pretty
today.
windy, yeah, that's for sure. And we've got more weather to come. This is a very active pattern we've finally found ourselves in after such a quiet fall. The wind will gradually ease up tonight. However, the next system starts moving in tomorrow afternoon. The bulk of the precipitation comes tomorrow night, and there actually will be some snow even to the low elevations up in the mountains. And behind that system, the wind kicks up again late tomorrow night into Thursday. Wind speeds are down, gusting to 33 miles per hour in Augusta, but we had several gusts today between 45 and 50 miles per hour. A few spot showers moving through the foothills here, Hartford, Jay, up around Rumford, and yes, higher elevations, a few snow showers mixing in there. These are moving to the south, so Turner, you might get a quick shower in the next 15 or 20 minutes. Temperatures have dropped into the 40s and even 30s off to the north. And the issue today was this storm system up over the Maritimes is really strong, plus this high to our west, the difference between them driving the wind. And this is the next system that arrives later in the day tomorrow. So overnight tonight, skies partially clear. Temperatures will be dropping into the 30s by tomorrow morning. Most sunshine tomorrow morning will be in eastern and northern Maine. Clouds will start thickening up pretty quickly for the rest of us. And there may be a few showers middle of the day into the early afternoon. You should be quick moving, but there will be some drops out there. And then tomorrow night, an area of low pressure goes right through the middle of the state. So that puts the mountains and north on the cold side of this storm. And north of Route 2, we likely get some wet snow falling as early as this time tomorrow evening, while the rest of us just deal with a chilly rain through the evening and overnight hours. And as this system zips by, we may even see a flip over to snow over parts of down East Maine at the tail end of the system. I think it'd just be wet snow, maybe a slushy coating on the grass, but still some flakes that will be out there nonetheless. Stripe of precipitation right along that Lowe's track through the middle of the state. And as we flip over to the snowfall projection, you can see there may even be some flakes in parts of eastern Maine, perhaps to Bangor. But in this case, the most accumulation will be in the mountains. And even down in the valley floors, there could be a slushy inch Thursday morning. So we might have a bit of a slick Thursday morning commute, places like Rangeley, Kingfield, down into parts of the Mount Washington Valley as well. So first snowfall out of the high elevations down into the valleys so far this year. Seas tomorrow 2 to 4 feet with a west wind 10 to 20 knots becoming southwesterly. After that, Friday, we have partial sunshine. The wind will be active again on Thursday, and there could be some isolated outages again. Saturday, some showers in the morning it looks now, and then perhaps a late day shower on Sunday. But the weekend looks a little bit better than it did yesterday. It doesn't look like a steady rain on Saturday, and then perhaps a few showers into Monday. But no real warm air in that forecast.
No.
Most of those highs are in the 40s.
Yikes.
Yeah, the gray
we'll feel
days
that.
are when we'll really feel it.
Right.
Plenty of those. All right, Ryan, thanks so much.
You're welcome.